Have you ever wondered how people are earning a lot of money online? One of the major sources of income for these people is through blogging or writing content for their own website or for someone else. These people are earning thousands of dollars, and what if I told you that you can become a blogger too, even if you aren't too good at content writing? In this video, I'm going to show you a method to earn thousands of dollars blogging, even if you don't have much idea about it, and it will only take about 30 minutes to create content. Don't worry if your English isn't too good, as you don't have to create content from the scratch to earn money through this method. I'm going to show you two websites which you can use to create content without spending a lot of time for it. And I will also show you a free tool you can use to create content easily. So watch this video till the end. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I post videos. Let's get to the video. The first website I am going to show you today is moneypantry.com. I have given the link to this website in the description. So this website writes about different things. So this article I am going to show you is about get paid to write and 101 sites that pay you up to $3,000 per blog post. So you can understand how much money you can make through writing articles. They have written the advantages about freelance writing, that you don't have to invest anything, you don't have to pay for it. The payment is also relatively fast, and there is no shortage for freelance writing. That means more and more people require good content from people like you. And even if you don't know how to create content yourself, I am going to show you how to create content without having to spend a lot of time on it. So watch this video till the end. Now, this website have categorized different topics, and the first topic that they have given is about vacation or travel. The first website is Transition Abroad, one that pays you $150 per post. Now look at the second one, Wanderlust, that pays you £220 per post to write about travel blogs. So it's a great website, you can just click on that. This looks like a great website right now, and they have written a lot of things on it. They have written their email ID so that you can just mail them to write about your queries, or you can, if you want to submit your work, you can just send it to this email. You might think that it's very difficult to create content. It's not like that. At the end of this video, I will show you exactly on how to create content yourself without having to do much work and without spending a lot of time. You literally can create content with about 20 minutes. I will show you another website that you can use for it, and also I'll show you a free tool to create content easily. So watch this video till the end. So now this website have like different topics. You can go through it so that you can understand what type of content you want to publish and what type you want to avoid. Now look at the rates. Wanderlust pay you £220 per 1,000 published words. Do remember that you get paid based on the number of words in your article that gets printed on their website. Now let's go through the other websites. Look at this one. They pay you up to $700 per post. Alaska Airlines magazine. So this website is something like it's a magazine about airlines. You can go to it. This website you have also written like contributor guidelines. You can read about it. They are not interested in fiction, poetry or book reviews. And here's the rates. It pays you $150 to $250 for short articles with a maximum of 600 words, and $700 for features with a maximum of 2,500 words. You get paid $700 for 2,500 words, and they have also given their email ID so that you can send your queries. Now look at this website, Travel Plus Leisure Magazine, $1 per word. That means if you send an article with 500 words, you get $500 for it. Okay, explore. There are a variety of topics you can write about. They have also given some articles. You can go through it to understand what type of articles that these websites require. If you have any questions, they are given their email ID. If you are a writer with an idea for a story, please send it here. You can send your work by clicking here. Now let's go down. All these websites are about travel. Now let's look at the topic about general interest. You people might be more interested in topics like these, as it talks about the general interest of people. Now let's look at this website that pays you between $100 to $300 per post. This website looks good as they have given widgets about different topics that they require. Now let's go through the writer's guidelines to understand it better. I will just go through it. If you want to send your work to this website, you have to read these guidelines before you send it, so that you can understand what exactly that this website requires from you. The specific areas of interest are health, exercise, nutrition, family, spiritual balance, environmental stewardship. You can contact the editor to send your submission, so you can write about your queries there. Now let's go through the other websites. So now the next category is about writing short stories. You can write about short stories. You can write about anything. You can earn up to $1,300 per post for writing short stories. This website gives you $1,600 per story. You can write about politics, news, entertainment. There are a lot of websites in each category. You can write jokes and earn money. Write about education, about religion, about business, about fiction. This website pays you up to $3,000 per article about science fiction. You can just go through each of these websites. I'm not going to show you everything. I will show you exactly how you can create contents easily right now. You can write about sports too. So if you are interested in the sports industry, you can write articles about it. You yourself can write it, or else I will show you how to get contents from someone else. Now let's check out the tool that I have told about, free tool, Google Docs. You might have already heard about it or might have already used it, but I will show you exactly on how to use it to your advantage to create content easily. Now let's click at the blank document. Now what we want to do is click on tools and click on voice typing. So let's see. Google Docs is a great tool to write content by just saying it through microphone. Google Docs have written it for you. It's a little bit slower than you speak, but still you can use the tool to create content easily. And do remember that you have to double check it before submitting your work, as there can be some errors while you speak and while Google Docs convert it for you. Now let's look at the other website that I have told you, Quora. So this is a great website where you can get copyright free contents, as people like you have written articles about different things. Let's search how to stay healthy. There are different articles about that. We can search what is the best diet for healthy living. This article is about a diet plan. So what you can do is you can go through this article, copy it from here and paste on Google Docs and make some changes. This is a very big article, so you don't want this big articles. So what you want to do is you can delete the things that you don't want, or make some changes like using synonyms, or you can also combine 2 or 3 posts together so that it's not the same as these people have posted. Now Quora doesn't have any copyright issues, but still I would recommend you to make some changes. You can either copy it from here and paste it on Google Docs, or if you want to make some changes, you can just read the article and make some changes while reading it on Google Docs, and Google types it for you. Now let's look at best travel destinations, another example. There are a lot of posts on this topic too. You can just combine three or more things. People have written about their experience. What is the most underrated holiday destination you have visited? So just click on this. This is a very small article. You have to look for a bigger article. Now see this one. What is the most underrated holiday destination you have visited? Someone have written about their experience visiting Kaisos in Greece. This is a very big post. Now what you can do is you can also change the places. You can make some changes on your own. You can also like combine different things from different posts. Now let's see how it works. How to stay healthy. Best travel destinations that you have visited recently. Google Docs typed it for you. You have to just speak through your microphone and Google Docs type it for you. So this is a great tool that you can use. And now that you have seen the two websites that you can use, one is moneypantry.com, where you can find different websites about different topics. You can write about these topics. There are not one websites you can use. So if you want to make some money writing, you can begin it like this by just copying from Quora and make some changes, edit some things, delete the things that you don't want, make like using synonyms and like combining two or three posts. You can do this, and later on, if you become good at it, you can write it on your own. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, share it with your friends and hit the like button. See you in the next video.